Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Defense for Mark Torre Jr. could be blaming more than just the alcohol, but also post-traumatic stress disorder for the fatal shot to Elbert, Bert Piolo's chest last summer. According to Chief Prosecutor Phil Tidingo, they've received a report from the defense's potential expert witness.
Dr. Stewart report essentially summarizes, indicating that he believes that at the time of the shooting that the defendant suffered an alcohol-induced blackout as well as post-traumatic stress disorder.
That's why prosecutors will need to subpoena Torre's Veteran Affairs records, as well as obtain a second opinion.
We're reviewing it, and based on my review, I'm trying to obtain another psychiatrist to review it and also provide some consultation so that I can prepare for that in trial.
But defense has listed a number of potential defenses, a list that Superior Court Judge Michael Bordalio says needs to be pared down.
If the defense is limited to either self-defense or toxicity, then it implies that there's an admission of shooting. If it's a denial, we have to figure out what defenses are compatible and what aren't, so we can narrow again down what may be necessary and what may not. The defense probably listed every defense available, and again, they need to find out what they're going to do so that we can start narrowing down the issues that are going to be tried.
A previous hearing noted self-defense may be used as well, that Torre pulled the trigger on Piolo to defend himself. That argument, however, conflicts with existing evidence. According to body camera footage taken from Officer John Edwards, who was one of the first to the scene, Torre implied the gunshot wound was self-inflicted. According to 911 recordings, Piolo told dispatchers, quote, "He shot me," end quote, and indicated Torre was with him. Attorney Jay Areola represents Torre.
We have issued subpoenas, which I believe the AG's office will be entering objections to. I understand Mr. Officer Edwards may have filed his own objections to our subpoena that we issued to him. We subpoenaed his hard drive and his computer and his laptop.
Although the Guam Police Department has no rules or regulations on body cameras, Officer Edwards was wearing one and recorded his interactions at the scene, including his conversation with the defendant. According to an order issued by Judge Bordalio, the footage will hold up in court. Judge Bordalio is requesting parties prepare for late September, early October trial. He also asked that prosecutors pare down their witness list in order to allow for a more manageable trial. Currently, 199 individuals are named as potential witnesses. Torre's next court hearing is set for July 8. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.